Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI viral video for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. One of the platform that we can use to create AI video is Pixpers. So for today, we're going to use Pixpers to generate a video. You can visit Pixpers AI app.pixpers.ai, and then you're going to sign into this website with your Google account, and then you will get 60 credits for free for your daily credits. And here guys, you can describe the content that you want to create. You just need to add the prompt here, and you can choose the duration and then the ratio. And for me, I'm just going to use template, and I'm going to use viral template here. For example, I'm going to choose this one, old photo revival. Okay, and then I'm going to upload my photo. I'm just going to use this photo, and we can upload it. And then we're going to click on create to generate the photo, and it needs 20 credits. But if you choose 8 seconds duration, it will need 40 credits if I'm not mistaken. And these are the videos I have generated guys with Pixpers. For example, this figurine video like this. And I also create animated video and chicken dance video and cat reporter. Okay, and let's go back, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.